Hi kids. So this last winter I ran off in the ditch. I hit some snow, slid off in the ditch, and I hit this little plant tree thingy, and I busted this bumper cover piece. It's an insert for the bumper cover. Now, my bumper cover is a piece of crap anyway, but you know, these things are pretty cheap on eBay, so let's see how the cheap eBay ones work. Aftermarket. Nothing to get too excited about, but I mentioned before I ran the car off in the ditch in the snow, broke this thing, so let's put a new one on. Be honest with you, this thing wasn't in great shape to start with. We got this knockoff aftermarket thingy. On there like that. The color's certainly better. So, what holds that onto there? Bumper's pretty crappy, to be honest with you. So there's just these little tabs. Got to get in there and push those so we can pull this out without breaking it any more than it's already broke. This whole front bumper needs to be replaced, but I haven't found one yet that I like, that makes me happy, that brings me joy. Okay. So you just got to reach your fingers back in here and squeeze that tab, and it will come out. I say, says I. There we go. 2 fingers on it, and it'll pop loose. All of the bottom tabs on this one are broke off. Every damn one of them. So I don't actually have any to remove. While I'm under here, I'm noticing this bent bracket, which is supposed to be where that push pin thing goes into there from there, but it's pushed back, right? Because I hit a deer, remember that? So let's see if we can bend this around, kind of line it up with the hole a little better. There, these things are not terribly difficult to maneuver. Now, let's go ahead and put this bad boy on. It's pretty straightforward. Line up the pins, push it on. Then we got to address these things underneath. I think I got some push pins in there already, so I'll have to pull those out and then put them in here. You should probably do this first if you actually have the little tabs on the bottom of your bumper garnish trim insert thingy. I think that's the technical term for it. And the last one. Now, push these little tabs on there, put them back. There's one. And again. We'll push this. And what do we got? One more, 2 more. One over here. There's all of those guys. It's just that tricky. There's what we got when we're done. At least it's not cracked in half like the original. That's an aftermarket one, about 40 bucks on eBay. It's not perfect. I see it's a little lacking in paint coverage, but I kind of thought about painting those anyway. So I don't know, maybe when I get a new bumper cover, we'll look at that. So till next time, this is Clint Searcy saying, you can change a busted bumper insert, I promise. See you next time.